Guys, today I'm going to show you something. This is a brake pads, and when you look close here on the brake parts right here, gentlemen, you see that one of the brake is worn out, like all the way. You can see right there, one of the brake is worn out all the way. The other one has some flesh on it, so the flesh is still there. So when you see this brake right here, there's a big flesh, but when you come on this side, guys, this flesh is gone. There is no flesh. It's just something flimsy. What does this tell you, guys? It tells you that one of the pistons on this side is not working good, so it needs to be worked on. So the piston has to be worked on, and then this one seems to be good. That's why it's going on slowly. So I hope really this helps you out to identify problems that come with this, and how to fix them. Maybe fixing them, maybe you need to replace this one, you get a new one. This can help it. Or you need to service the pistons on this side, so that at least they can do a better job next time. Alright guys, I hope this video helped you out. Please like and subscribe. See you next time.